So you want to know how to make a Minehut server, but the Minehut YouTube channel doesn't really tell you anything on how to make it, but actually how to join your server, which I don't find that useful. So I'm going to be showing you guys in this 7-minute tutorial how to create your server, the basics of it, and how to join it. Because I need more watch time. Okay? So, bear with me here. We're going to do Minehut to TT. Now, we create. Now, it says the name is already in use, which surprises me. So, let's test something else, like Creepa TT. I doubt this is in use. Hey, it's not. So, it's going to show that our server is actually in hibernation. Now, the reason for this is because they only move your server to active when you start it. And the reason for this is because, of course, other people are going to try, other people are going to lag if your server is always on. So just have patience. It only takes 2 minutes, 3 if you're installing a plugin, to start up the server. Patience is the key to this. It's not like you have to be, oh, I'm in a hurry, I need to pay $7 just so it's up all the time. And it will shut off 5 minutes after some player has left. That way, and it's smart. It knows. So we're going to go ahead and go to the panel here. Now, while it's starting, and you'll hear a little ding or pop-up from Minehut when it starts. But while it's starting, we're going to go ahead and go to server appearance. Now, the mod-D would be, say we go to Minecraft here. If we disconnect, this is a mod-D, Hypixel Network, Skyblock, Summer Sale. That is a mod-D, or MOTD. Now, I have one set here because I know color signs and all of that. I'm going to go ahead and click Save on this. Now that we have this, this is the domain of our Minehut server. So it's going to be whatever name we set for it. We can change it, or it can just be whatever the name of the server is. And then it will always have .minehut.gg. Now, what the server visibility means is that it can be visible in the menus if you're looking for servers. Oh, here's our ding, so our server's ready. Or it can be unlisted, so that means people can join it, but they can't find it. So, now that our server's started, let's go ahead and copy this. So you just want to drag that, right click and copy. Now we go to Minecraft, and we're going to create a server. So we just take what we copied and paste it here. Now we'll name this Creepa Test. We'll click Done, and then it will show it's offline. Let's refresh this. And as you can see, I changed the mod-D. It's normally going to look something like this. This server is online, or a Minehut server. So let's go ahead and join this. So this is an easy way to join it. And as you can see, we're in here, but we really don't have any permissions. Like, we can't go /game mode creative because we don't have permissions, but it's a server nonetheless. Now, if you want permissions, I'm here for you. So you want to go to the console over here. We're going to type OP and then your username. Now you can press enter or send, and by going over here, it shows it made us an operator. Now that we are an operator, we can go up to this command, press an E, and now we're in creative mode and we can fly around, destroy whatever we want. Now I know what you guys are like, and honestly, if this is a survival world, this is perfect. If you guys want plugins or something like that, all you have to do is go ahead and go to plugins over here. And we're going to look up 2 simple ones. World Edit. Now, the 2 at the bottom here do not work for 1.14, which is all you can set. You cannot really change a version for Minehut. So it's all 1.14 or the latest version. So we're left with the top two here. You got World Edit, the default World Edit, or Faster World Edit. It uses less lag and everything, and we're just going to use that. Alright, so now we're going to look up image. And the reason why is because image on a map is another one I use. And as you can see, if you have any questions, you can just go to, and it'll bring up Spigot. And it'll show you like features and commands and stuff, because they mainly take all their stuff from Spigot. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and stop the server. This will automatically kick us off from this. As you can see, I can punch him right now, but in a bit it's going to stop our server. Okay, so it looks like our server started. That's great. Now we're going to go ahead and enter the server. Now to test this out, we're going to go ahead and using the fast async world edit, we have to type /wde, and that will let us bypass the world edit. So now we can do /wand, and as you can see, it works. We can do this, go straight over here, /set TNT, and it sets it all to TNT. And then all we would have to do is light that. But we're going to undo that because that can completely destroy your... So as you can see, we have an 8x8 map here. All we have to do is shift click, and boom, there you go. Just like that, we have a nice, flawless, high definition, almost 4K quality logo in Minecraft. And yeah, so that's how the plugins work. Really simple, easy, and yeah, that's why I like Minehead. Really user friendly and easy to use.